very clearly we discussed about substring function and in-string function. So now see remaining string functions. So to get substring from the string, substr function we are using. To know the position of substring, we are using in-string function. Now in today's session, I want to cover the remaining functions like lpad and rpad. Listen. lpad and rpad. So first say about lpad function. See, listen, this function is pad means, the general meaning of pad is pad means fill. So to fill, it is used to fill specified character. It is used to fill specified character at left side. So if you want to fill specified character at left side, we are using this lpad function. Pad means fill. So to fill specified character or characters at left side, we are using this lpad function. See the syntax here. By seeing the examples, you will get clarity on it. See, lpad of, we pass one string here, and second argument we pass as character set. Character set means you can understand like we specify one character or multiple characters. Character set means we can set one character, we can pass one character or multiple character. Character set means single character or characters. So if we don't pass this second argument here, if we don't pass second argument, it takes a default character as space. What is the default character here? Space. Space is the default character. Okay, now see some examples here. Observe. Examples. For example, we are writing like this: lpad of, I am giving string as Raju. Sorry. After this string, we have to specify the maximum number of characters also. Maximum number of characters. I'm sorry. 3 arguments we need to pass. Maximum number of characters. Maximum number of characters. This is the second argument. Maximum size we specify. Okay. Or simply maximum size I am writing. Maximum size we specify here. So string we pass, maximum size we pass, then character set we specify. If we don't pass the character here, it takes default character as space. Default character is space. So lpad of Raju, comma 10, comma star I am writing. If we write like this, now observe here, in the Raju, how many characters are there? 4 characters are there. What is the maximum size here? 10. Okay, so maximum size minus number of characters, 6. So 6 stars will be printed at left side. So what this returns are, this prints 6 stars Raju. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 stars Raju. So we are filling specified character at left side here. If you want to fill specified character at left side, we are using what? lpad. Pad means fill. At left side we are filling with this specified character set. How many characters it will fill, sir? Maximum size minus number of characters in the string. Maximum size is 10. Number of characters in the string are 4. 10 minus 4, 6 space, 6 stars will be filled here. Now you tell me, for example, we are writing like this: lpad of Sai string I am giving. Okay, maximum size I am giving as 10. Okay, and I am giving filling character as @ now. What it prints now? 7 at the rates. 7 at the rates, Sai. Why 7 at the rates? Maximum size 10. In the Sai, how many characters are there? 3 characters. 10 minus 3, 7. 7 at the rates will be filled here. Okay. For example, we are writing like this. LPAD of, I am giving name as Sai, comma 10. Not only one character, multiple characters also we can give. For example, I am giving $ampersand here. Now, at left side, what it prints now? $ampersand. Okay. How many $ampersands? Total 7. So $ampersand, 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 6. So $ampersand, 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 $, 7. So 7 characters filled here with this character set. Okay. And what it prints? Sai. So not only one character, multiple characters also we can give. For example, I am writing like this. LPAD of, I am giving name as Teja. Teja is the name. Maximum size I am giving as 10. And I am not passing third character because passing third argument is optional. Third argument is optional. So if we don't pass third argument, what is the default character it takes? Space. Now what it fills now? 6 spaces. That's it. 6 spaces. 6 spaces. Teja will be printed. 6 spaces. Teja will be printed. That's it. So default character is space here. So 6 spaces. Teja will be printed. Is it clear? Now I am opening SQL Plus. Observe our batch schema. C## Oracle 9am. Password is Naresh IT. Okay. So I'm setting page size 200 and line size 200. And I'm clearing the screen. Okay. Observe here. We are writing like this. Select LPAD of. LPAD of. I am giving string as Raju. Maximum size 10 I am giving. Star I am giving. What it prints now? 6 stars Raju. 6 stars will be printed at left side. So 6 stars Raju printed. Observe here. 6 stars Raju. Okay. So this is the way of using LPAD. For example, we are writing like this. Sai, we are giving at the rate here. So now 7 at the rates, Sai will be printed. Observe here, 7 at the rates are printed. 7 at the rate, Sai are printed. So L means left. So left pad means fill. Left side, it is filling with this specified character set. How many characters filling? Maximum size minus number of length of the string. Okay. For example, we are writing like this. LPAD of, we are giving string as Teja. So Teja is the string and maximum size 10. We are not passing third character now. We are not passing third argument. Okay. So if we don't pass third argument, default character it takes as space. So 6 spaces, Teja will be printed. See here. Sorry. Select we didn't write here. So 6 spaces, Teja printed. Observe here. 6 spaces are printed here. See. So like this, we can use LPAD function. Now next one. For example, I'm writing LPAD of string is Sai. Maximum size I'm giving as 10. Okay, I'm giving 2 characters now. Ampersand hash. 2 characters I'm giving. So now 2 characters will be filled at left side. Observe here. So what is the character set we are giving? Ampersand hash. So ampersand hash, ampersand hash, ampersand hash, ampersand printed. See here. So 7 characters filled with ampersand hash. Next, Sai printed. So this is the way of using LPAD. RPAD means it fills it right side. Now, pay attention and listen carefully. I'm talking one important point here. Listen. For example, we are writing like this. LPAD of, I am giving string as A. comma, maximum size 10, filling character I'm giving a star. Now what it prints? Okay, 9 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 stars A. Okay, for example, I'm writing like this. LPAD of, I'm giving string as star. I'm giving string as star. Okay, I'm giving string as star and filling character also I'm giving as star. Now what it prints now? What it prints? 10 stars will be printed. Okay, if you write A here, A printed, so maximum number of characters are 10. So 10 minus 1 character, 9 stars are printed here. In the same way, if you give string as star here, string is star. Okay, remaining 9 stars will be printed by this LPAD. So string is star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Remaining 9 stars. These 9 stars are filled by LPAD. String is what? Star. Okay. Similarly, in the same way, I'm writing like this. LPAD of, I'm giving X here. X is the string. Okay. I'm giving maximum size as 10. Okay. Filling character also I'm giving as X. Now what it prints now? 10x will be printed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sometimes this is useful when we want to print sensitive data. To provide security, it is useful. Sometimes you get messages like this. So amount debited from so and so account number. So if account number is having 16 digits, okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So just last 4 digits they will give. So to fill these X's, you can use what? LPAD. LPAD you can use. Okay. So to capture this last 4 characters, you can use substring function. So for example, our requirement is like this. We want to display the message as amount debited from this account number. Like this we want to display. This is our requirement. So what we have tried here, select. Okay, so to get this, what we have to write, observe here, how many X we want now? 12. 12 X's we want. So 12 X we want means what we have to write here? LPAD of X. X is the string. Okay, maximum size. So, okay, so for example, I am giving, no, not 16, I'm giving 12 only. Maximum size is what? 12. So 12x. So x 12x means what it will print now? 12x's. 12x's will be printed. So to this, I want to capture last 4 characters. Last 4 characters we want. Okay. For example, LPAD of, assume that account number is, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Assume that this is the account number. 16 digits are there. This is the account number. Okay. Or sorry, or a card number. This is a card number. Okay. So last 4 characters we want now. So to get last 4 characters, which function we have to use now? Substring. Okay, last 4 characters means -4, means from right side. Okay, so last 4 characters, so till the end of the string it takes. So like this we write. So in front of this, if you want to print select, we want to get message as amount debited from. So write amount debited from here, concatenate it with LPAD and concatenate it with the last 4 characters of this account number. Okay. From DL. Okay, so like this, we want to get the message. Observe now, I'm copying this. See here, what it is printing, just observe. See what it is displaying. Observe here. Amount debited from how many X it is printing here. Observe. X it is printing. Last 4 characters it is getting from this account number or card number. See. So this is the way of using substring function and LPAD function. So to fill with some specific character set at left side, we use LPAD function. So RPAD means it fills at right side. RPAD of. See. So this function is used to fill specified character set at right side. What is the syntax? Syntax is same here. We pass RPAD of. We pass first argument as the string, and second argument is the maximum size, and third argument is optional. Here we specify the character set. Character set means you can pass one character or multiple characters. So this is RPAD function. See the examples on RPAD. We're writing like this. RPAD of, I'm giving string as Raju, maximum size 10, filling character, we are giving a star. What it prints now? How many stars will be printed? 6 stars. Okay, where it prints, at left side or right side? Right side. Why? RPAD. R means right. Right side it fills 6 stars. So in the Raju, 4 characters are there. Maximum size is 10. 10 minus 4, 6. So 6 stars will be printed here. So 6 stars will be printed. Next, RPAD of. Okay, I am giving Raju and 10. Okay, now what it prints now? Raju, are we passing third argument here? No. If we don't pass third argument, what is the default value here? Space. So Raju, 6 spaces will be printed at right side. At right side, it is filling the spaces. So this is the way of using RPAD. Okay, observe here. Select RPAD of. RPAD of. I am giving string as Raju. Maximum size 10. Filling character is star from dual. So it prints Raju 6 stars. See. Next, we are not passing third argument here. So it prints Raju 6 spaces. Here 6 spaces are printed here. 6 spaces printed or not, if we want to check, concatenate it with some other string. Okay, observe here, because of 6 spaces are there, hello printed here. So after Raju, how many spaces are there here? 6 spaces are there. So if you want to check that, concatenate it with hello. So Raju 6 spaces, hello is there. So this is the way of using LPAD and RPAD. For example, we are writing like this. Select RPAD of, I am giving string as X, maximum size 10. Okay, filling character X I am giving from dual. What it prints now? What it prints now? 10 stars. String is what? X. Okay, so this first X is the string. Remaining 9 X printed by using RPAD. Just like RPAD of A 10X means A printed, after that 10X printed. Like that, if you give that character as X, here X printed, remaining 9 characters filled by RPAD. So based on our requirement, we fill the characters. So this is about LPAD and RPAD. LPAD, RPAD are over. Next, LTrim, RTrim, LTrim, RTrim, and trim. LTrim, RTrim, and trim. These 3 functions. See, LTrim. Trim means what? Remove. Trim means remove. This LTrim function is used to remove unwanted characters. Unwanted characters from left side. So if you want to remove unwanted characters from left side, we can use this LTrim function. If you want to remove unwanted characters from left side, we are using ltrim function. Okay, so to use this ltrim, the syntax is ltrim of specify the string here. Okay, then specify the character or character set. So character set means you can specify single character or multiple characters. And here also default character is space. So default character is space here. Okay, so this is the syntax we have to follow. For example, we are writing like this. Observe here, ltrim of @ Raju, @ I'm writing. Now from this string left side @ I want to remove. So which function we have to use? Ltrim of, this is the string removing character. So which @ is the unwanted character, we want to remove that one. So specify @ here. Okay, that's it. So now what it returns? It returns Raju @ Now left side @ are removed. Observe here. Okay. Next, ltrim of. For example, here two characters are there. Okay. So ltrim removes unwanted characters from left side. So only left side @ is removed, not right side. If you use rtrim, that removes right side unwanted characters. Okay. So one more example. For example, here hash @ Sai, hash @ are there. Okay, I want to remove hash @ from left side. So what it gives now? It gives Sai hash @ That's it. So left side unwanted characters will be removed here. This left side unwanted characters will be removed. Let me show it. Select ltrim of @ Raju @ we are giving unwanted character is @ from dual. Observe what it is removing. See here, only left side @ are removed. Is it removing right side? No. Okay, if you want to remove right side @, which function we have to use? Rtrim. Rtrim means it removes right side unwanted characters. Right side @ is removed. Observe here. Okay, so like this we can use ltrim and rtrim. For example, if multiple characters are there, those multiple characters set also we can specify here. So select ltrim of, I am giving $, okay, and name I am giving as Sai here. Next $, I am giving. So we want to remove unwanted characters $, here. So we are specifying $, from dual. Observe what it is returning. So Sai $, are removed. Observe here, left side $, are removed here. Left side $, are removed here. Okay. Next. Now, for example, I am writing like this. Select ltrim of. See here, left side 3 spaces are there. Okay. Next string I am giving as Raju. Right side 3 spaces are there. Okay. From dual. So what it prints now? Okay. These left side spaces will be removed. Are we passing second argument here? No. If we don't pass second argument, default argument it takes as spaces. So left side spaces will be removed now. Left side spaces will be removed. Okay. Observe here what it is printing. See here, Raju, right side spaces are printed here. If you want to check right side spaces are printed or not, concatenate it with the another string. Okay, I'm concatenating with hello. Observe here, right side space is printed or not. See, right side space are printed. For example, instead of using ltrim function, I'm using rtrim function here. Now what happens? Right side spaces will be removed. Observe here, left side spaces are printed, right side spaces are removed. Instead of Raju, it is printing hello. Okay, here after Raju spaces are printed, but here after Raju no spaces are printed. Right side spaces are removed here. So sometimes it is helpful. For example, you are opening Gmail website that is asking username. Sometimes accidentally user may presses some spaces like this and he gives his username, and after that accidentally he presses some spaces. So if user is giving left side spaces and right side spaces, we want to remove them. So what we are right now, trim off username. Okay, like this we write. So trim off username means what's the default character here? Space. So spaces will be removed. So in such type of situations, this will be useful. So this third example I'm writing here, L trim off. Okay, space, 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 Raju, space, space, space. So what it prints here, Raju, 3 spaces will be printed. So left side spaces are removed here. Okay, so like this we can use L trim function. R trim means right side unwanted characters will be removed. The same thing I'm copying here. For rpad I'm writing. So rpad is used to remove the unwanted characters from right side. So from right side, if you want to remove the unwanted characters, okay, use this r trim, and default character is space here. So instead of using L trim, we are using R trim. Now observe here, R trim off at the rate Raju we are writing. Now what it returns? At the rate Raju. So right side at the rates are removed here. Next, for this example, instead of using L trim, we are using R trim here. What it returns? Hash at the rate, Sai. Right side hash at the rates will be removed. So right side hash at the rates are removed here. Now here, R trim off. Okay, here 3 spaces are there. Raju, 3 spaces are there. What it prints now? 3 spaces, Raju. Right side spaces are removed here. So this is the way of using R trim. Now you know 2 functions, L trim and R trim. So pay attention and listen carefully here. Pay attention and listen carefully. Trim function. Trim function is used to remove left side spaces or right side spaces or both side spaces or unwanted characters. So trim function is used to remove unwanted characters from left side or right side or both sides. So if you want to remove unwanted characters from left side or right side or both sides, if you want to remove unwanted characters from left side or right side or both sides, we are using this trim function. The syntax here is, trim. Specify the string here. Okay, sorry, before this we need to write leading, or sometimes we may write trailing, or sometimes we may write both. Here we specify the character set from string. This is the syntax we have to follow. Okay, so sometimes we write leading, sometimes we write trailing, sometimes we write both. Then we specify the unwanted character here, from which string we will tell. This syntax we have to follow. Very, very simple. Observe here. See, if we want to remove unwanted characters from left side, use leading. Leading means left side characters. Trailing means right side. Leading means left side. Trailing means right side. Both means left and right. Both sides. Observe here. For example, we are writing like this. Trim of. Okay, I'm writing leading. Character I'm giving as at the rate. Leading at the rate from string we are giving as at the rate, at the rate, at the rate, Raju, at the rate, at the rate, at the rate we are giving. Is a string. So now leading means is it remove left side space, left side at the rates or right side at the rates? Left side. Leading means left side. These are the leading characters. These are the trailing characters. Okay, these are the leading characters. These are the trailing characters. So if you want to remove leading characters, use leading. Okay, left side characters will be removed. It returns Raju at the rate, at the rate, at the rate. Next, trim. Instead of using leading, what we are writing here? Trailing we are writing. So trailing at the rate from this string. At the rate, at the rate, at the rate, Raju, at the rate, at the rate, at the rate we are giving. Okay, now what it returns now? At the rate, at the rate, at the rate, Raju. Okay, it is removing right side at the rates. So if you want to remove both side at the rates, what we have to write here? Trim, both at the rate, both at the rate from at the rate, at the rate, at the rate, Raju, at the rate, at the rate, at the rate. So it removes both side at the rates, just it returns what? Raju. Okay. So this is the way of using trim function. Okay. For example, we are writing like this. Trim in case of spaces. Okay. For example, we are writing like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 or 3 spaces we are giving. Raju. 1, 2, 3. 3 spaces we are giving. If we write like this, it removes left side spaces and right side spaces. What it is printing now? Raju only. So here it removes left side and right side spaces. Removes left side and right side spaces here. If you write like this. Okay. For example, we are writing trim. We are not specifying leading or trailing here. Directly we are writing like this. Trim at the rate from. We are not telling leading or trailing or both. Just we are telling at the rate. From at the rate, at the rate, at the rate, Raju, at the rate, at the rate, at the rate. If we write like this, it gives result as Raju. If we don't specify anything, default one it takes as the both. So default one is both here. Both is the default one. Okay, let me check. Is it correct or not? We want to check here. Observe. So trim. Leading means left side unwanted characters will be removed. Leading at the rate from. At the rate, at the rate, at the rate, Raju. At the rate, at the rate, at the rate. From, sorry, select. Okay, from dual. From dual. What it returns now? It removes left side at the rates. Raju, 3 at the rates will be printed. So leading means what? Left side. Left side unwanted characters will be removed now. Observe here what it is printing. Observe. Leading at the rates removed or not? See. Leading at the rates are removed. Now we want to remove right side at the rates. Right side at the rates means what we have right here? Trailing. Trailing at the rates from dual. So observe here, right side at the rates are removed. See here. If you want to remove both side at the rates, what we have right here? Both. So both we are writing from dual. So now what it returns now? See, Raju, it is returning left side at the rates removed, right side at the rates removed. Okay. For example, we are not specifying leading or trailing or both. Okay, we are not specifying this one. Default one is what? Both. Default one is both. Observe here. Both side removed. Okay. Now, for example, we are writing like this. Trim of space, 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 Raju, space, space, space. From dual we are writing. What it will do now? It removes left side spaces and right side spaces. Okay, observe here, Raju printed. Right side spaces removed or not, if you want to check, concatenate it with any other string. Okay, so see here, immediately after Raju, hello combined. Means spaces are not there, right side spaces are not there. So if you want to remove unwanted characters from left side or right side or both sides, use trim function. If you want to remove unwanted characters from left side only, L trim. If you want to remove unwanted characters from right side only, R trim. If you want to remove unwanted characters from left or right or both sides, use trim. Okay, so this is the way of using trim functions. Now you know very clearly about 3 trim functions. When it is useful, sir, for example, here mail IDs are there. All, for example, mail IDs are there, abcd@nareshit.com. Okay, another username is xyz@nareshit.com. Like this, all employees are having mail IDs in the same domain, nareshit.com. I don't want this @nareshit.com at right side. Just I want to get these usernames. I want to get only usernames. So what we have right now? Select. Okay. So right side unwanted characters we want to remove. What are the unwanted characters now? @nareshit.com. @nareshit.com. So which function we have to use now? R trim. R trim of in which column? Mail ID column. Okay. What are the unwanted characters we want to remove? @nareshit.com. @nareshit.com. So like this we write. So now it removes @nareshit.com here. It gives ABCD and XYZ. @nareshit.com will be removed. In such type of situations, it will be helpful. Okay, observe here. Yesterday we added one column to the EMP table. Is it existed or not? We want to check. See here, yesterday we added this column. Mail IDs we generated. Using substring function, we generated the mail IDs. Observe the mail IDs here. Select ename, comma, mail ID from EMP. Observe. See. In the mail IDs, SMI369 is the username @nareshit.com. So this @nareshit.coms we don't want, only usernames we want now. So we want to trim @nareshit.com. Okay, because of it is at right side, we are writing like this. Select ename, comma, R trim of. Okay, what's the column name? Mail ID. Okay, what we want to remove? @nareshit.com. So @nareshit.com will be removed. So from which table? EMP table. Okay, observe here. Only usernames it is giving. Observe here. @nareshit.com removed. In such type of situations, these trim functions are useful. So trim functions are over. Next functions, replace function. This replace function is used to replace search string with replace string. Okay, if you want to replace search string with replace string, we use this replace function. The syntax here is replace. See. So first we give the string. In this string, for which string you want to search, that search string we give here. comma, replace string we give. Replace string we give. That's it. So this is the syntax we have to follow. First one is string, second one is search string, third one is replace string. For example, see here, replace. There is a name. Okay, Sai Krishna. Sai Krishna is name. So in this, I want to replace Krishna with Teja. I want to replace Krishna with Teja. So Krishna is the search string and Teja is the replace string. Okay, now what happens here? This Krishna will be replaced with the Teja. So what it returns now? What it returns now? Sai Teja. So we are giving string as Sai Krishna. And in this Krishna will be replaced with Teja. This Krishna will be replaced with Teja. Krishna is the search string. It is searching for Krishna. This Krishna will be replaced with Teja. Okay. For example, we are writing like this. Same string I am taking. Sai Krishna. Sai Krishna is the string. I want to replace Sai with Rama. I want to replace Sai with Rama. What it returns now? Ramakrishna. Ramakrishna will be written. That's it. So like this, we can use the replace function. For example, I'm writing like this. Replace of, okay, ABC, AAA, BBB, okay, ABC, CCC, okay, ABC, like this. We're writing. I am giving searching string as ABC. This ABC we want to replace with XYZ. This is our requirement. So all occurrences of ABC will be replaced with XYZ now. All occurrences of ABC will be replaced with XYZ. Observe here. Observe. See. We are search. What is the search string here? ABC. What is the replace string here? XYZ. So wherever ABC is there, that ABC will be replaced with XYZ. Observe here. Here ABC is there. ABC will be replaced with XYZ. Okay. So next A's are there. A's will not be replaced. B's are there. Individual characters will not be replaced here. Next ABC is there. ABC will be replaced with XYZ. Next again ABC is there. ABC will be replaced with XYZ. So all occurrences of this search string will be replaced with the replace string. Okay. So this is replace function. And next function is there. Translate function is there. Translate function. This translate function is used to replace search character with corresponding replace character. With corresponding replace character. So translate function is used to replace search character with corresponding replace character. So sometimes interviewer may ask like this. What is the difference between replace and translate? Replace replaces the string. Krishna string will be replaced with Teja. Sai string will be replaced with Rama. Whereas translate means character, searching character will be replaced with corresponding character. Okay. For example, we are writing like this. Translate of, we are giving string here. Next here, search character set we specify here and replace character set we specify. Okay. So searching characters, replacing characters we specify. What happens here? Observe. See, for example, we are writing like this. Translate of. Observe here. We are writing like this. Hello. We are writing. Okay, so LO we want to replace with AB. LO we want to replace with AB. Okay, now listen carefully. Wherever L character is there, L character will be replaced with A. Okay, L character will be replaced with A. Okay, L character will be replaced with A. All else will be replaced with A. Okay, and all O's will be replaced with B. Okay, so for our understanding purpose, I'm taking one more O here. Hello, like this I'm taking. So now what it returns now? HE. Wherever L is there, L will be replaced with A. So how many A's we will get now? 2 A's. 2 L's are there, 2 A's we will get. Okay, and O's will be replaced with B. What we will get here? B will get. Whereas the same thing, try to understand the difference between replace and translate here. Whereas the same thing we are doing by using, instead of translate function, we are using replace function now. Replace function we are using. Okay, now what it will give now? HEL, LO will be replaced with the AB. Oh, like this. Okay, here LO replaced with AB. If we use replace function, if we use translate function, the searching character will be replaced with corresponding character. All else will be replaced with S. O's will be replaced with B's. Okay, so if this is the most common interview question, interviewer may ask like this: what are the differences? What is the difference between replace and translate? Replace replaces search string with replace string. This entire string should be matched here. But whereas in case of translate, this character will be replaced with corresponding character. Okay, now you tell me, for example, we are writing like this. Replace of, okay, ABC, AA, BB, CC, ABC. Okay, like this we are writing. AA, ABC we are writing. This is the string. So if we use if we are writing like this, we want to replace ABCs with PQR. ABCs we want to replace with PQR. This is our requirement. So now this is the string. In this, if we use replace function, okay, what is the output it will give? Observe. Wherever ABC is there, ABC will be replaced with the PQR. So this ABC will be replaced with PQR here. Here A's will be replaced or not? No. B's will be replaced or not? No. C's will not be replaced. Again, it is searching for ABC. ABC is there, so that will be replaced with PQR. Again, here ABC is there. ABC will be replaced with PQR. Whereas the same example I am taking for translate. Same string I am taking for translate. Instead of taking replace here, we are using translate. Translate we are using. If we use translate, what it gives now? A's will be replaced with P. Okay. B's will be replaced with Q. C's will be replaced with R. Okay. Here A is there. A will be replaced with P. B will be replaced with Q. C will be replaced with R. And here again 2 A's are there. 2 A's are replaced with 2 P's. 2 B's are replaced with 2 Q's. 2 C's are replaced with 2 R's. Okay. And A will be replaced with P. B will be replaced with Q. C will be replaced with R. Okay. 3 A's are there. 3 A's are replaced with 3 P's. B will be replaced with Q and C will be replaced with R. Did you understand the difference here? Observe, same string. For replace, ABC replaced with PQR. But whereas here, every character replaced here. Is it clear? So replace translate functions are over. Sometimes this translate function is useful to apply the mass characters. When we want to represent some sensitive data like salaries, PIN numbers, passwords, at that time, for example, here salary column is there. salaries are there like 5,000, 9,000, 6,000. My requirement is I want to display this like this. Salary means, see, we are writing like this. Translate. Salary means we use only digits. 0 to 9 digits we use. Salary value will be made up of with 0 to 9 digits. Okay. So this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 values in the salary column. In the salary column, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 values we want to replace with. If 0 is there, I want to replace closing bracket. If 1 is there, exclamation. For 2, at the rate, 3 hash, $4, 5 percentage, 6 caret, 7 ampersand, 8 star, 9 opening bracket. Like this, mass characters we are giving now. So now observe carefully. If you write like this, now in this, 5 will be replaced with 5th character. What is the 5th character? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dollar. Dollar is the 5th character. So this 5 will be replaced with dollar now. And 0 will be replaced with closing bracket. 3 closing brackets it gives. 5,000 value will be represented as dollar, 3 closing brackets. 9. For 9, okay, for 9, what is the character here? For 9, opening bracket. For 9, opening bracket is the character. This is the single quote string closed here. Okay. For 9, opening bracket. For 9, opening bracket. So 9 means opening bracket. Okay. Next, 3 for 0, closing bracket. So like this it will display. So the meaning of this one is 9,000. So for 6, okay, for $5 for 6 percentage. So it gives percentage 3 closing brackets. That's it. Percentage 3 closing brackets. Like this, mass characters we will get in place of salary values. So now let me show it. Observe. Here there is EMP column is there. Select ename, comma, salary, comma. Okay, sorry. Select ename, comma, salary values we want to get. Translate. What we are writing is translate. Salary values we want to translate as, okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. These digits in the salary column, these digits we want to replace with this character set. For 0, closing bracket. Okay. For 0, closing bracket. For 1, exclamation, at the rate, hash, dollar, percentage, caret, ampersand, star, opening bracket I'm giving. Okay. So now observe here. Close the bracket from dual. Sorry. Okay, let me correct this. So salary here, just a minute. Okay, let me write once again. Select what we want to get, employee names, and translate function we are using. Translate function we are using for which column? Salary column. Okay, we want to replace 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 characters, digits with this character set. Okay, so string started here. String started. Okay, closing bracket is for 0. For 1, exclamation. Okay, for 2, at the rate. Next, hash. For 3, dollar. For 4, percentage. For 5, for 6, caret. For 7, ampersand. For 8, star. For 9, opening bracket. Here we are closing the string, and here we are closing the function from dual. Sorry, from EMP. From EMP. Translate spelling mistake is there. So translate, spelling mistake is there. Let me correct this. Observe here. Observe, it is displaying the see here, observe, we are using translate function here. All zeros are replaced with closing bracket, ones are replaced with exclamation, okay, and twos are replaced with at the rate. So like this, salary values are replaced with mass characters. So if you want to represent any sensitive data with mass characters, at that time this translate function is useful. That's it. So translate function is over. Next function is ASCII function. This ASCII function is used to get ASCII value of specified character. So if you want to get ASCII value of specified character, we are using ASCII function. For example, for the syntax here is, the syntax is ASCII of, we specify the character here. For example, we are writing like this, ASCII of, okay, A. For A, what is ASCII value? For capital A, what is ASCII value? 65. 65 it returns. ASCII of capital Z, what is ASCII value? 90. ASCII of small a, what is the small a ASCII value? 97. So ASCII of small z, what is small z ASCII value? 122. Okay, ASCII of, what is the ASCII value of 0? 48. Okay, what is the ASCII value of 9? 57. 57. So like this, to get the ASCII values, to know the ASCII value of particular character, we can use this ASCII function. Observe, we are writing like this, select ASCII of small a I am giving, comma, ASCII of capital A I am giving from dual. Observe here, small a ASCII value is what? Small a ASCII value what? 97. Capital A ASCII value 65. So to get ASCII value of particular character, we are using this ASCII function. Next, CHR function, opposite to ASCII. Opposite to ASCII. So to the ASCII function, what we are passing? Character we are passing. It is returning number. Whereas to the CHR function, we pass number, it returns the character. Opposite to ASCII. It is opposite to ASCII. CHR function is used to get character, of specified ASCII value. So to get character of specified ASCII value, we use this one. For example, for the syntax is CHR of we give one value here, one number here. We give one number. For example, we are writing like this: CHR of, we are giving 65 here. What it returns now? A will be written. Opposite to the ASK. Okay, CHR of 97 we are giving. What it returns? Small a. Okay, so like this, CHR of 122, it returns small z. CHR of 90, it returns capital Z. Like this, we are passing ASCII value, it is giving the character. Just observe, select CHR of 65, okay, CHR of 90, CHR of 97. From dual I am giving, it is giving the characters. Observe here, A for 65, Z for 90, A for 97. So it is giving the character here. We are passing value, it is returning character. Next, last function. Last function is soundx. With this, all string functions will be over. Soundx function, it is used to retrieve the data based on sounds. Based on sounds. Okay, based on sounds means, what is the meaning of this one? The meaning of this one is, if pronunciation is same, if pronunciation is same, it retrieves the records. If pronunciation is same, if pronunciation is same, it retrieves, it displays the records. If both are sounding as same, it displays the records. Okay, we write like this. See, the syntax here is soundx of string. Soundx of string we specify. Observe, for example, I want to display the employee records whose name is Smith. Okay, what is the actual spelling of Smith? SMITH. But I don't know the exact spelling. When we don't know the exact spelling, the soundx function is useful. When we don't know exact spelling, it can be used to retrieve the data. So when we don't know the exact spelling, we can use it. For example, here Smith, this Smith exact spelling I don't know. What I am doing is, I am writing like this: soundx of Smith. I am writing like this. I am writing SMYT. I don't know the exact spelling, so I am writing SMYT here. So if soundx of ename is equals to soundx of Smith, if employee names is sounding like this one, pronounce this Smith. Okay, if employee name is pronouncing like Smith, if employee name is sounding like Smith, that retrieves the record. For example, there is one employee there, Scott employee there. I don't know the exact spelling of Scott. So how we search now? Soundx of ename. If employee name is sounding like, soundx of, I am giving SKAT here. Okay, Scott. Okay, Scott exact spelling I don't know. Okay, so I'm writing SKAT. I'm writing some spelling here. So it is sounding like Scott only. Okay, so it displays the record. Observe here. Select star from EMP, where we want to retrieve Smith record. Smith spelling we don't know. So what we are writing here? Soundx of ename equals to some wrong spelling we are giving. Soundx of SMYT. Soundx of Smith. Wrong spelling we are giving. So observe here, is it displaying Smith record or not? See here, Smith record it is displaying. If you observe what is happening here, employee number, a name from EMP. So here we are writing like this, SMYT, pronounce it Smith. Here this implied name, we are writing like this, soundex of ename. Soundex of ename is equals to soundex of SMYT. So SMYT means we are pronouncing this as Smith. So here implied name will be pronounced here. So Smith, is it sounding like SMYT? Yes, Smith, Smith. We are pronouncing this as Smith, this also Smith. So this record will be retrieved. Okay, this is Allen. We are pronouncing as Allen. Here this is what Smith. Is Allen is pronouncing like Smith? No. Is Jones pronouncing like Smith? No. These records will not be displayed. Okay. For example, here Blake record is there. I want to retrieve Blake record now, but I don't know the exact spelling of Blake. So what I am writing here, select star from EMP, where soundex of ename, equals to soundex of, okay, Blake wrong spelling we are giving. Okay, no need to maintain the case here because just pronunciation it is checking. It is not checking case. Okay, so Blake we are giving. Okay, observe here, it is displaying the Blake record. See here, this Blake is pronouncing like Blake. Sir, okay, తీసుకెళ్ళండి. So did you understand this? So all string functions are over. Observe now. So you know all string functions now. I'm giving overview on all string functions. Observe. Why we are using lower function? To convert string to the lower case. Why we are using upper function? To convert string to the upper case. Why we are using init cap function? To get starting letter as capital in every word. In every word, if you want to get starting letter as capital, init cap. Next, why we are using length function? To find length of the string. Why we are using concat function? To combine two strings. So to combine two strings, we are using concat function. Why we are using in string function? To know position of substring. To know position of substring. If substring is existed, it returns that position. If substring is not existed, it returns 0. Okay. Why we are using substr function? To get substring from the string. Okay. Why we are using lpad function? To fill specified character at left side. Why we are using rpad function? To fill specified character at right side. Okay. Next, trim function. Why we are using trim function? To remove left side unwanted characters or right side unwanted characters or both sides. For left side leading we write, for right side trailing we write, for both sides both we write. L trim means it removes unwanted characters from left side. R trim means it removes unwanted characters from right side. The names are giving the meanings here. Easily you can remember. Trim means remove. Pad means fill. Okay. To remove unwanted characters, we use L trim, R trim, trim functions we use to remove unwanted characters. So to fill particular characters, we use L pad, R pad like this. Okay. Next. So like this ASCII function, to get ASCII value of specified character, we are using it. CHR function, to get character of given ASCII value. Next, replace function, to replace search string with replace string. Translate function, to replace search character with corresponding replace character. Okay, here string will be replaced here. Here characters will be, corresponding characters will be replaced. Okay, next soundex. If both are pronouncing same, okay, based on pronunciation, if you want to retrieve the records, we can use soundex. Okay, so 5, 5, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 15, 16, 17. One more is there, reverse. So to reverse the string, we use it. Okay. So to reverse the string, we use this one. Observe here, reverse function, select reverse of Ramu. I'm giving reverse of Ramu from dual. What it is printing, observe here. So this is reverse function. So reverse function is used to reverse the string. Is it clear about string functions? Okay, all string functions are over. I'm stopping the session here. And on Monday, we discuss aggregate functions. Second category in the functions, aggregate functions we discuss. Okay, thank you everyone. See you on Monday.